Ever wondered how the succulent shrimp on your plate makes its way from the vast oceans to your dinner table? It's a journey that combines centuries-old fishing traditions with cutting-edge technology, culminating in a product that's as fresh as the sea itself. Behind every perfectly cooked shrimp is a fascinating tale of precision, innovation, and dedication. From massive trawlers braving the deep waters to state-of-the-art factories humming with activity, the process of shrimp production is a masterclass in modern food processing. Let's embark on a deep dive into the world of bulk shrimp processing and uncover the intricate steps that ensure every bite of shrimp is nothing short of perfection. Arrival at the port. The journey of shrimp begins at the ports along the American coastline, bustling centers of activity that serve as vital conduits between sea and land. Fishing vessels, often carrying thousands of pounds of shrimp, dock at these ports to unload their precious cargo. The shrimp arrive in massive frozen blocks, carefully preserved during their voyage. The port infrastructure is built to handle this influx efficiently, with advanced conveyor systems and forklifts managing the rapid transfer of cargo from ship to shore. Every shipment is tagged and documented, ensuring full traceability from the ocean to the processing facility. The frozen state of the shrimp is crucial. This is not only to maintain their freshness, but also to meet strict food safety regulations. Once offloaded, the shrimp containers are immediately transferred to cold storage units at the port, where they remain until they are dispatched to the factories. The seamless coordination at the port ensures there is no delay in the journey, minimizing the risk of spoilage and guaranteeing the highest quality for the next steps. Fishing and harvesting. Shrimp harvesting begins in the vast waters of the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico, home to some of the richest marine biodiversity in the world. Fishing vessels equipped with state-of-the-art trawl nets set sail, aiming to harvest shrimp in bulk. These trawl nets are engineered to be both efficient and environmentally responsible. By using weighted systems and escape hatches, the nets allow smaller, non-target species to escape, reducing bycatch and minimizing ecological disruption. The harvesting process requires a skilled crew. Once the nets are pulled aboard, the deck becomes a flurry of activity. The shrimp are unloaded into massive sorting bins, where fishermen inspect them carefully. Sorting is crucial at this stage to ensure that only shrimp of the desired quality and size are kept. By the time the shrimp are ready for freezing, they have already undergone an initial quality check, a vital step in maintaining the premium standards of American seafood. Onboard sorting and freezing. Once harvested, the shrimp undergo immediate sorting and freezing on the vessel itself. This ensures that the shrimp are preserved in peak condition right from the moment they are caught. The sorting process involves separating shrimp by size, quality, and species. Fishermen manually inspect each batch to remove debris, other marine life, or any damaged shrimp that don't meet quality standards. Next comes the freezing process, a critical step to lock in freshness. Industrial blast freezers on board the ships rapidly lower the temperature of the shrimp to sub-zero levels within minutes. This method of flash freezing not only preserves the shrimp's natural texture and flavor, but also prevents the growth of harmful bacteria. By freezing shrimp at sea, factories can be confident that they are working with top quality, safe, and flavorful seafood. Delivery to processing factories. The frozen shrimp are transported from the port to processing factories in specialized refrigerated trucks. These trucks are designed to maintain a consistent cold chain, ensuring the shrimp remain frozen throughout the journey. The logistics involved in this transportation are carefully coordinated to minimize transit times and keep the shrimp at optimal temperatures. Factories are often strategically located near major ports, which significantly reduces transportation time. This proximity ensures that shrimp arrive quickly, maintaining their quality and freshness. Once at the factory, the shipment undergoes a detailed intake process, where every container is accounted for and logged into the system for further processing. Weighing and quality inspection. Upon arrival at the processing factory, the shrimp undergo their first factory-based quality control check. Each shipment is weighed on industrial scales to ensure that the correct quantity has been delivered. This initial measurement also helps the factory plan and allocate resources for the processing phase. The next step is a rigorous quality inspection. Automated systems equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors scan the shrimp to identify any potential defects, such as discoloration, inconsistencies in size, or foreign particles. This level of precision ensures that only the best shrimp proceed to the next stages. Human inspectors also perform manual checks on random samples, providing an additional layer of assurance. Thorough washing cleanliness is non-negotiable in shrimp processing, and every shrimp undergoes an extensive washing process. The shrimp are funneled through a series of washing stations equipped with high-powered jets of water. These jets thoroughly remove dirt, sand, or any impurities that may have accumulated during harvesting or transit. In many factories, this washing process includes a mild chemical treatment. Approved food-grade solutions are used to eliminate pathogens and ensure that the shrimp are safe for consumption. Each washing station is carefully monitored, and the water is frequently changed to maintain hygiene standards. By the end of this stage, the shrimp are pristine, ready for peeling and deveining. Peeling and deveining. One of the most intricate steps in shrimp processing is peeling and deveining. Advanced machinery, equipped with gentle rollers and blades, delicately removes the shrimp shells without causing damage. These machines are designed to mimic the manual peeling process, but operate at a much higher speed and efficiency. Deveining, the process of removing the shrimp's digestive tract, is equally meticulous. Using precision tools and suction systems, the machinery ensures that each shrimp is cleaned to perfection. For factories producing higher-end products, this step may still involve manual labor for quality control, with workers carefully inspecting each shrimp to ensure consistency. Grading and sorting by size. After peeling and deveining, the shrimp are graded and sorted by size. This is a crucial step as shrimp size determines their market value and intended use. Using advanced imaging and laser measurement systems, factories classify the shrimp into categories such as jumbo, large, medium, and small. This automated grading system ensures accuracy and uniformity. Once sorted, the shrimp are funneled into separate bins for packaging or further processing. This step not only enhances the shrimp's presentation, but also allows for precise portioning, whether for restaurant supply or retail sale. Cooking or flash freezing. Depending on the product type, shrimp may be cooked or kept raw. For cooked shrimp, industrial steamers and boilers are used. These machines cook large batches of shrimp evenly, ensuring consistent texture and flavor. After cooking, the shrimp are rapidly cooled in specialized chillers to halt the cooking process and preserve their taste. For raw shrimp, the focus is on preserving freshness. A second round of flash freezing is employed, using advanced freezing tunnels that quickly bring the shrimp to sub-zero temperatures. This step is essential to maintain the shrimp's flavor and texture until they are ready to be consumed. Seasoning and flavoring. In many factories, shrimp undergo additional processing to add flavor. Automated tumblers evenly coat shrimp with various seasonings, such as garlic butter, Cajun spices, or lemon herb blends. This process ensures that each piece of shrimp carries a consistent and balanced flavor. Seasoned shrimp cater to consumer preferences for ready-to-cook or ready-to-eat options, adding convenience while maintaining quality. This value-added step makes shrimp an attractive choice for busy households and restaurants alike. Packaging is a critical step that directly impacts the product's shelf life and appeal. Shrimp are vacuum sealed in airtight bags or trays to lock in freshness. Factories use automated systems to package shrimp efficiently, labeling each package with essential details such as weight, size, and cooking instructions. For retail markets, shrimp are often packaged in smaller, resealable bags that are easy for consumers to handle. For bulk orders, larger packages are prepared, typically destined for restaurants or wholesale distributors. The packaging process ensures that the shrimp remain in perfect condition until they reach the customer. Quality control and inspection. Even at the packaging stage, quality control remains a top priority. Every batch is subjected to advanced inspection technologies, including X-rays and optical scanners, which detect any inconsistencies or foreign materials. This step is critical in maintaining the factory's high standards. Additionally, human inspectors perform random spot checks, opening packages to manually verify quality. This dual system of automated and manual inspection ensures that no defective product makes it to market, safeguarding both the factory's reputation and consumer trust. Cold storage. After packaging, the shrimp are stored in massive cold storage facilities within the factory. These freezers are maintained at precise temperatures, ensuring that the shrimp remain in peak condition. Cold storage provides flexibility, allowing factories to manage inventory efficiently and meet fluctuating demand without compromising quality. Distribution to markets. Once ready, the packaged shrimp embark on their final journey to markets. Refrigerated trucks, equipped with GPS tracking and temperature monitoring systems, transport the shrimp to supermarkets, restaurants, and wholesalers. This ensures that the product reaches consumers in pristine condition, ready to be enjoyed. Sustainability practices. American shrimp factories prioritize sustainability. Byproducts such as shells are repurposed into animal feed or fertilizers. Factories also invest in energy-efficient machinery and water recycling systems to reduce their environmental impact. These practices not only ensure long-term resource availability, but also align with consumer demand for responsibly sourced seafood. From ocean to plate, the journey of shrimp is a remarkable blend of tradition, technology, and sustainability. Each step, meticulously managed, ensures that the shrimp you enjoy are of the highest quality. The next time you savor this seafood delicacy, remember the incredible journey it took to reach your plate.
Has this thought ever crossed your mind how Agen-Dazs, one of the world's best ice cream brands, turned a simple scoop of ice cream into a symbol of global luxury? It all started in the 1960s with Ruben Mattis, a visionary who dreamed of creating the world's finest ice cream. Armed with premium ingredients like Madagascar vanilla and Belgian chocolate, he crafted flavors that redefined indulgence. The made-up name Agen-Dazs added a European flair, and soon what began as a small family venture grew into a worldwide phenomenon. But what's the secret behind its unmatched quality and success? Let's uncover the fascinating journey of this iconic brand. The story begins in the 1960s with Ruben Mattis, a visionary entrepreneur who believed ice cream could be so much more than a simple treat. Born to a family of Polish immigrants, Ruben worked tirelessly in his parents' small dairy business, learning the value of quality and hard work. Determined to create something exceptional, he developed a premium line of ice cream using only the finest ingredients. To give his brand an air of European sophistication, he coined the name Agen-Dazs, a term without any literal meaning but rich in cultural allure. The first flavors, vanilla, chocolate, and coffee, quickly became a hit, setting the stage for a brand that would revolutionize the ice cream industry. This innovative approach marked the beginning of a legacy. Agen-Dazs didn't just sell ice cream, it sold an experience, carving its place as a pioneer in the luxury dessert market. In this video, we'll take you inside the state-of-the-art facilities where Agen-Dazs ice cream is produced on a massive scale. These mega factories combine cutting-edge technology with time-honored traditions to craft the perfect pint every time. From the meticulous selection of ingredients to the precise packaging process, every step is designed for excellence, Imagine thousands of gallons of ice cream being churned and packed every hour, each batch maintaining the brand's signature richness and flavor. Thanks to AI-driven systems, these factories operate with remarkable efficiency, ensuring that every pint of Häagen-Dazs delivers the same luxurious experience. These facilities highlight the brand's commitment to precision and consistency, showing how technology and tradition come together to create an iconic product. Häagen-Dazs is committed to using only the best ingredients, sourcing vanilla from Madagascar, cocoa from South America, and milk from local dairy farms. Each ingredient undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure it meets the brand's high standards. The milk, for instance, is sourced from cows raised on sustainable farms, ensuring freshness and purity. The vanilla beans are hand-picked, and the cocoa is carefully fermented and roasted to bring out its full flavor profile. AI technology plays a crucial role here, analyzing each batch of raw materials for consistency and quality. This commitment to sourcing the finest ingredients is what gives Häagen-Dazs its unparalleled taste. Every step from the farm to the factory reflects the brand's dedication to excellence and sustainability, ensuring each pint is a masterpiece. It all starts with the base, a simple yet perfect blend of cream, milk, sugar, and egg yolks. This mixture is heated to just the right temperature to achieve a smooth, velvety consistency. AI-controlled machines monitor the heating process, ensuring the mixture is pasteurized without losing its natural richness. Once prepared, the base is cooled rapidly to lock in its creamy texture, forming the foundation for all Häagen-Dazs flavors. This base is what gives the ice cream its characteristic richness and smooth mouthfeel, setting it apart from other brands. The careful crafting of this base ensures a consistent quality that has become synonymous with Häagen-Dazs, forming the bedrock of its luxurious taste. The next step is flavoring. Whether it's Madagascar vanilla, Belgian chocolate, or fresh strawberries, each ingredient is carefully measured and mixed into the base. Advanced mixing machines ensure the flavors are evenly distributed, creating a consistent taste in every pint. For fruit-based flavors, real fruit purees are used, while chocolate and the nut flavors are made with premium ingredients sourced from around the world. This attention to detail ensures that each flavor maintains its unique identity while meeting the high standards Häagen-Dazs is known for. The flavoring process transforms the already luxurious base into a symphony of tastes, allowing each pint to deliver an exceptional sensory experience. Once the flavors are added, the mixture goes through a churning process that incorporates just the right amount of air. Unlike other ice creams, Häagen-Dazs has minimal overrun, meaning it contains less air and more ice cream, resulting in a denser, creamier product. AI-driven machines regulate the churning speed and freezing temperatures to achieve the perfect texture. The ice cream is then flash frozen to lock in its fresh, creamy consistency. This rapid freezing process prevents the formation of large ice crystals, ensuring a smooth and luxurious texture in every bite. The result is a decadent dessert that offers an indulgent experience, bite after bite. For flavors like cookies and cream or dulce de leche, additional ingredients are folded in during the final stages of production. Cookies are crushed and blended, caramel swirls are added, and chocolate chips are gently mixed to create that perfect balance of textures. High-precision machines ensure these mix-ins are evenly distributed, so every scoop is packed with delicious surprises. This stage requires careful timing and precision, as even a slight variation could affect the final product's quality. It's the mix-ins and swirls that give certain Häagen-Dazs flavors their unique character, providing delightful surprises in every spoonful. Before the ice cream is packaged, it undergoes a series of quality checks. AI-powered cameras scan for any inconsistencies in texture, color, or distribution of mix-ins. Any batch that doesn't meet the strict standards is set aside for further inspection. In addition, taste tests are conducted to ensure the flavors are perfectly balanced. This rigorous quality control process guarantees that only the best pints make it to store shelves. It's this dedication to perfection that has earned Häagen-Dazs its reputation for excellence. Each pint reflects the brand's unwavering commitment to providing a superior ice cream experience. Once the ice cream passes quality checks, it moves on to packaging. Robotic arms fill each pint with precision, ensuring the exact amount of ice cream is packed into every container. The pints are then sealed with airtight lids and labeled with Agen-Dazs iconic branding. Dates and batch codes are printed to ensure traceability and freshness. The packaging process is designed to be both efficient and hygienic, minimizing human contact to uphold the highest standards of cleanliness. The visually appealing pints are not just containers, but a promise of the premium experience awaiting inside. The packaged pints are then grouped into cartons, sealed, and labeled for shipment. These cartons are stored in massive freezers, where the temperature is carefully controlled to keep the ice cream in perfect condition. AI systems monitor the storage environment, ensuring consistent temperatures and humidity levels. The cartons are stacked efficiently to maximize space and prepare for distribution. From here, the ice cream is ready to be shipped across the globe, ensuring it arrives fresh and ready to delight customers. This step ensures that Agen-Dazs ice cream reaches its destination in pristine condition, maintaining the quality customers expect. Agen-Dazs operates a sophisticated logistics network to deliver ice cream to stores, restaurants, and homes worldwide. AI-driven systems optimize delivery routes, reducing transit time and maintaining product freshness. Trucks equipped with advanced refrigeration systems ensure the ice cream stays frozen during transit. This complex distribution network allows Agen-Dazs to meet the high demand while minimizing its environmental impact. Every pint that reaches the consumer embodies a seamless coordination of technology and logistics, ensuring freshness and quality in every scoop. Agen-Dazs is committed to sustainability, implementing eco-friendly practices throughout its production and distribution processes. From using renewable energy in factories to reducing plastic waste in packaging, the brand is constantly looking for ways to minimize its environmental footprint. AI systems track energy usage and waste management, helping the company achieve its sustainability goals. This commitment ensures that Agen-Dazs not only delivers exceptional ice cream, but also contributes to a healthier planet. The brand's dedication to sustainability reflects its vision for a better future, ensuring that indulgence doesn't come at the expense of the environment. With millions of pints sold annually, Agen-Dazs factories operate around the clock to keep up with global demand. The brand's ability to scale production while maintaining its premium quality is a testament to its innovative manufacturing processes. Whether it's for a cozy night in or a grand celebration, Agen-Dazs remains a top choice for ice cream lovers around the world. Their commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction ensures that the brand continues to thrive in the competitive ice cream market, setting a benchmark for others to follow. Every morning, millions of gallons of orange juice arrive on grocery shelves, perfectly fresh and bursting with flavor. But have you ever wondered what it takes to get there? Behind each glass lies a story of precision, innovation, and thousands of hands working in sync to bring that sunny taste to your table. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing journey of orange juice, from hand-picked groves to high-speed factory machines. Stick around, because this isn't just about juice. It's about unlocking the secrets behind one of America's favorite breakfast staples. Before we jump in, hit subscribe so you never miss another behind-the-scenes look at how your favorite foods are made too. The origin of orange juice. Orange juice has a history that's as vibrant as its taste. The concept of squeezing oranges for juice dates back centuries, possibly as far back as ancient civilizations that grew citrus. However, it wasn't until the mid-20th century that orange juice truly became a staple in American households. Advances in preservation techniques, especially the development of pasteurization and freezing processes, allowed for orange juice to be enjoyed year-round, not just during orange growing seasons. It soon became the iconic breakfast beverage we know today. During World War II, the U.S. government even promoted orange juice as a nutrient-packed food for soldiers, further cementing its place in American culture. Fresh squeezed orange juice contains no additives or preservatives, which gives it that rich, natural flavor many people love. It's packed with vitamin C, offering a great morning boost. But because fresh squeezed juice has a shorter shelf life, It's less commonly seen in grocery aisles compared to pasteurized, long-life orange juice. Processed juice is often pasteurized to kill bacteria and prolong shelf life, but the trade-off is that some natural flavor and nutrients may be lost in the process. The orange groves. The journey of orange juice begins long before it reaches a factory. It starts in the vast orange groves spread across warm, sun-soaked regions. Growing oranges takes time, care, and a lot of patience. Orange trees require several months to reach maturity and bear fruit. In the U.S., states like Florida and California lead in orange production, with their climate providing the perfect conditions for these juicy fruits. Come early November, these trees are loaded with ripe, bright oranges, ready for harvest. Timing is crucial because only when the oranges reach peak ripeness will they have the sweetness and juice content needed for production. Surprisingly, even with technological advancements, orange picking remains a hands-on process. Workers carefully pick each orange to avoid damaging either the fruit or the tree. This method, though time-intensive, prevents bruising that could affect juice quality. Pickers use special lightweight bags that can hold several oranges without putting too much strain on the fruit. This meticulous approach ensures that each orange arrives at the processing plant in pristine condition, ready for juicing. Not all oranges are ideal for juicing. For mass production, varieties like the Hamlin orange are favored. These small but mighty fruits pack a high juice content, making them perfect for large-scale production. Interestingly, these oranges are often picked while their skins are still green. A green exterior doesn't mean the fruit isn't ripe. It's just a sign of the unique sugars locked within, which give the juice a sweeter taste. Once harvested, oranges go through a rigorous sorting process. Pickers inspect each fruit as they transfer them from their bags. If an orange has a tear or puncture, it's discarded, as internal damage can lead to off flavors or spoilage. Minor blemishes, however, don't impact juice quality, so these oranges continue on their journey to the juicing stage. The washing process. The first stage in the plant is cleaning. Oranges are doused with soapy water, which is sprayed onto them as they move along conveyor belts. Rotating nylon brushes scrub away dirt, dust, and any other debris that may have clung to the fruit during its time in the grove. Once the initial wash is complete, a second sprayer rinses off any remaining soap. Brushes keep the oranges moving forward, ensuring they're spotless. This two-step cleaning process is vital to guarantee that the juice extracted later is free from contaminants or unwanted flavors. Air drying with fans. After washing, the oranges travel along a conveyor belt under powerful fans. These fans help dry off any lingering moisture. This drying step prevents water from diluting the juice and ensures each orange is ready for its final inspection before juicing. Once dried, the oranges pass through a secondary set of brushes with softer bristles. This last round buffs the fruit's skin to remove any last remnants of dirt or residue, giving the oranges a pristine look before they're inspected once more. The final inspection is critical. Inspectors check for any remaining damaged oranges that might have slipped through. This attention to detail ensures only the best oranges make it to the juicing machine, maintaining a high standard of quality in the final product. 14. Loading the juicer. Once inspected, the oranges are loaded into the juicer hole. This machine is designed to handle the entire fruit, eliminating the need for slicing or other preparation. Its efficiency is unmatched, allowing for the extraction of juice on a large scale. Inside the juicer, a fascinating process unfolds. Metal teeth puncture each orange, peeling back its skin to allow for maximum juice extraction. The machine separates the seeds, pulp, and membranes, leaving behind only the fresh, pure juice. The juice flows into a large vat equipped with filtering screens that can adjust pulp levels. Some people love their juice with a bit of pulp, while others prefer a smoother texture. These filters allow the juice to be tailored to meet different consumer preferences. The juice is bottled immediately, often in plastic jugs. These bottles are designed to expand slightly, which is crucial for storing unpasteurized juice. Because the juice is unpasteurized, it can ferment slightly, causing gases to build up. The flexible bottles prevent bursting while keeping the juice fresh. Instead of pasteurizing, this fresh squeezed juice is chilled immediately to lock in that natural flavor and vibrant color. This process results in a shorter shelf life, but delivers a flavor that's as close to fresh as possible, giving consumers an authentic taste. Once bottled, the juice is stored in refrigerated units. Fresh squeezed juice may not last as long as pasteurized varieties, but it's all about quality over quantity. This juice delivers a burst of pure, unaltered flavor that pasteurized juice just can't match. Finally, each bottle of orange juice is shipped off, ready to be enjoyed by consumers who crave that fresh, natural taste. With each sip, you're tasting the result of a long, carefully managed process, from hand-picking in sunlit groves to final bottling in a state-of-the-art facility. Next time you pour yourself a glass, take a moment to appreciate the journey it's been on to reach your table. Imagine a place so secure, even top executives don't have open access. The true flavor of KFC lies within its legendary secret recipe, a blend of 11 herbs and spices hidden behind layers of security. Locked away in a high-tech vault, this recipe has become as iconic as the brand itself, representing a legacy of flavor so guarded that only a select few hold its full secret. This vault symbolizes not just security, but also the dedication KFC has to maintaining the Colonel's original vision, ensuring that the unique taste remains consistent and authentic across the globe. Before we dive into the secret world behind KFC's iconic fried chicken, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.